Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel on a rainy winter's evening. Just out and about for a spin. Had a couple of hours to kill, so I said I'd get out for an hour. The rain started once I filled up on fuel in the garage, and so look, we're out now, so we deal with it. As it's coming near the end of the year, I'm thinking of the goals that I have for next year, thinking of the goals that I want to achieve next year. One of them is to pass my full test, and the other one then is to travel to Achill Island on the bike. I seen them roads about a year and a half ago and I absolutely loved them, and I was thinking they're perfect for the bike, absolutely perfect for the bike. So that's my goal, my travel goal next year, is to go to Achill Island, but I'm going to build it up from there. So the furthest I've gone is Youghal. So that's my goal now for two goals for next year, to pass my full test. Oh, look at the husky out the window, look, gorgeous little thing. It's probably massive. But yeah, that's my goals for next year. So what are your goals? What are your riding goals for next year? And do you want to pass your test, or have you passed your test before? Let me know in the comments. If you're going to watch the videos, you might as well comment and we'll have a chat. And let me know what your goals are. Are you travel goals? Do you want to get somebody else into it? You know, like, what are your goals for the year, you know? You know, so let me know what your goals are, and we discuss them. And I think it's good to have goals on your bike, which keeps you motivated, to get you out and about. That's, you know, another reason why I started a YouTube channel, was to give me a reason to get out as well, because, you know, when the weather's not great, sometimes you'll be just not going to go out now or whatever. But because I have this YouTube channel, it's one video a week, but people don't appreciate the work goes into or people might not appreciate the work that goes into it. But you know, that motivates me every time to get out on it, to create a video for you and just to join to my experiences, you know. In the winter, look, we're not going to be travelling anywhere far or anywhere fantastic or whatever, but we can still have a good discussion on the bike and the way I look into my journey. So you're obviously following me for my journey as well, but I'm interested in your journey. I'm interested in what you want to do on the bike and your goals, and you know, let's inspire each other, because you know, I'd be inspired if you're saying, oh, you want to go to the Isle of Wight or whatever, or you'd like to get to know bikers more and join a club, or you know, something like that. There's 101 different things, so I'd love to know what your goals are, because I think the majority of people who watch will have a bike. If you don't have a bike, would you be interested in getting a bike? If so, why? If not, why? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know, because I don't know, like, it wasn't just because my mates had the bikes, because I'm solo rider now, so I go out with the lads when we can, but I'd love it myself, the whole solo part of it. But it was the lockdown I got into it. I was watching Itchy Boots, and I had a bit of time and had a bit of money at the time, and I was able to put away that money and say, right, this is the goal for me, I'm going to ride a bike. And I'd never ridden a bike ever before, so that's where I got like the inspiration for to start riding the bike. So I'd love to know how you got your inspiration, even if it's 30 years ago. What was it for you that made you go, yeah, I love bikes, I want to be on a bike? You know, I'd love to know. Or like I said, I'd love to know if you're looking to start out, what questions you have starting out. Ask us. If I don't know it, somebody in the comments will know, or I'll get the answer for you if I don't know. So I would love to know that. Let's interact a bit more, eh? And next year then we'll be off on our travels, and we'll be going to places around Ireland, and you know, down the years I'd love to go Europe, you know, and stuff like that as well. I have the app, and there's a load of people on one of the apps, Riser it's called, and I'd love to connect with them. You know, they're in different parts of Europe, different parts of the world, So I'd love to connect with them. Wow. What the fudge? The indicator's pulled out. Oh well. And as I always do, is just keep trucking on and make it a no incident. I thought he was going well ahead of me, and then he stopped. He was well ahead, so no issue. And with braking as well, I actually use 70, when I go faster, 70% front brake and 30 back brake. Well, thereabouts. It's not obviously exact science, but that's what I tend to use, so I don't go over the handlebars and pull it too hard, and then a little bit of the back brake then as well. So on that note, thanks very much for watching. That's the end of today's video. Keep safe on the road. Deise Rebel out.